Alright, so here's this camera, dude.
Is it okay? Yeah. So after you use that bottle,
It's not a bottle.
like,
It's not a bottle.
yeah,
Bottle?
but I want to call that bottle, dude.
What a ball.
Yeah.
What a ball.
Yeah. Hey, what are you looking at? Do you want to? Your toothbrush. I hate to see a toothbrush. Yours. Fuck. Yeah.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste, dude. Oh. Yeah. Let's do this. And Kevin tonight. Yeah. Yeah.
To all the kids out there, this is how you brush your teeth.
Yeah, like this. I love bubbles, you know. Bubbles of cheese.
Hey, don't drink water, man. That's bad.
Yeah, it's bad. This one.
Yeah.
Upstairs.
We have big cake, we use that. Just throw the mud lang people.
Yeah.
The big toothbrush, man. Throw them the big toothbrush.
Oh, cool, bro.
You can't eat there.
Yeah, very cool, bro.
You're very stupid, man. This is a big toothbrush.
Oh! That's so good, dude.
Why are you so stupid?
No, because I'm like you.
You know the video cameras just steady there and you're pointing at this big toothbrush which is down here.
Yeah. And this
You
is...
think you could
Hey,
see,
kid.
they could see it?
No, this is the big toothpaste. And this is... This is the corner.
It's a starfish, man.
Yeah, you're a bad influence, dude.
This is how you. Wait, let me finish first.
I'm so excited because the bubbles is so... It is so...
What?
Wait. It's so... Fish. So fish.
Your son of a smoked fish. Oh, look at this.
Buwas naman yung puta lagi ito.
I don't know. Just heard that from my auntie. Rita. He always said putragis. Dead cat may tapot.
Yeah, because I will show it on... Yeah, I will share it on Facebook, dude. My bodyguards are swimming like...
I know. Let's go scuba diving then.
After scuba diving, we're going to jet ski, dude.
You want some breakfast?
Yeah, I'm going to eat my breakfast. Edinburgh.
Ni-record mo yun, Dad?
Ba, gawin mo na tayo na-record.
Ah, well, ma-record ba?